Are you tired of dealing with a crack in your basement wall that keeps leaking water? Look no further. HydroHelp 911 is here to provide you with the ultimate solution. In this video, we'll explain the causes of basement wall cracks, the potential water leakage risk, and how HydroHelp 911 can help you fix the problem once and for all. Basement wall cracks are a common issue faced by many homeowners. These cracks can occur due to various reasons, such as foundation settlement and hydrostatic pressure. But the severity of the problem increases when water starts seeping through these cracks, leading to a host of other issues like mold growth, increased structural damage, and compromised indoor air quality. Water leakage through basement wall cracks is a serious concern that should not be ignored. Ignoring the problem can worsen the situation, making it more expensive and challenging to fix in the future. At HydroHelp 911, we understand that the significance of a dry and structurally sound basement. Our team of trained professionals specializes in diagnosing and repairing basement wall cracks to prevent water leakage effectively and to restore the structural integrity of your cracked basement walls. Don't let a crack in your basement wall continue to cause water leakage and headaches. Contact HydroHelp 911 today and let our experts fix the problem for you. Say goodbye to water damage and hello to a dry and secure basement.